Hello everyone. Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lover. Today I will be preparing a Bengali delicacy. It's called Prawn Malaikari or Chingri Macher Malaikari, which is being well known in West Bengal. So for this Malaikari preparation, we need to prepare the prawn very well, because this prawn which we need to do, we need to clean the prawn properly, and I want this prawn to remain straight. इसको सीधा रहना है, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने एक स्टिक अंदर से घुसा दिया so that it remain straight while we are cooking. If you don't use this, what it will happen while we are cooking it, it will bend and give you a circle kind of shape. So to start with this, first I'll marinate the prawn with some turmeric powder and salt. So some turmeric powder ले लिए, अभी थोड़ा सा इसमें सॉल्ट डालेंगे. Apply this all over the body of the prawn nicely. I have marinated the fish. So now what I will do, I will fry the fish with mustard oil. So the oil is hot now. I will add the prawn and I will fry it now. So we need to fry the prawn one side till it is brown. Just turn it upside down. So the frying of prawn is ready. I will remove the fried prawn in a plate, and then in the same oil I will prepare the malaikari gravy. So in this oil only I will temper it with cinnamon, some cardamom, clove, bay leaf and whole red chilli. So first we need to temper the oil with all these whole spices. Once the cardamom will start crackling, I will add onion paste. Just fry the onion for 1 or 2 minutes. Once the onion is cooked, I will add ginger paste. Again we need to cook the ginger till it stop removing the raw flavor. Now this malai curry, it can be made in many different ways. Even if you want, you can prepare malai curry without onion, garlic, or even if you want, you prepare the recipe as I am following. And even in this preparation, you can add red chilli powder, but if you want, even you can make it with green chilies. So I will be preferring to make this with green chilli, not the red chilli powder. So I just add some whole green chilli so that it does not change the color of the gravy, but it gives a nice flavor as well as the spiciness in the gravy. Almost it is ready. At this stage I will add some coconut milk. Just mix the mixture nicely. Now I will give some coriander powder, some cumin powder and very small quantity of turmeric powder. Now mix all this masala nicely. Again I will give small quantity of coconut milk. In this preparation I will be not using water, I will be using the completely coconut milk so that the dominated taste of coconut must be remain in the fish preparation. Now, how to get this coconut milk? The best way is take the fresh coconut, you grate the coconut and then put some water and you blend it to make a puree or paste of it. Squeeze out the milk from the coconut and then you can use this first extract, and even you can add some more water in the after extracting the coconut milk from the grated coconut, and again you can extract the second extract. Both can be used for making this malaikari preparation. At this stage I will add some curd. Nice color it has came from the masala. I will give some salt now. While you are adding salt, you must remember that already we have given salt in the fish marination, and I will add now the complete quantity of coconut milk. Mix it nicely. So curry is almost ready now. So थोड़ा सा इसमें शुगर डालेंगे, अभी इसको मिक्स कर देते हैं and I will add the fried prawn now. और अभी इसको क्या करना है, we need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes by covering the pan. So I'll cover the pan and cook the prawn along with the curry for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will check the taste and we will serve. So almost the dish is ready now. I just covered the pan. Almost the curry is ready. The fish has already cooked along with the pan with cover. Prawn malaikari is now ready. I just do the final presentation. So for that I will use some cream. Use sprigs of coriander leaves. So prawn malaikari, the delicious Bengali dish, is ready for you to serve. Thank you very much for watching this Bengali delicacy. Please share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much once again. Happy cooking.